me escaping the old energy core. Right now, I'm escaping the OG energy core. Bro, this song is very fire. I'm in chat. Oh yeah, I can also chat now. I can find the chat. There's a movie. I'm not gonna jump off.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh my god.
Wait, the facility never gets destroyed.
Bro, the explosion broke my sound barrier.
Dude, I literally had to like make the volume high for the first CapCut message. Bro, it broke my freaking sound barrier. It'll regenerate shortly. Only Bumble 647, Dobet 78, and Pyramid survived. Wow. This is the aftermath of my car, and so did that other guy. I'm gonna come back to where it got completely obliterated. I'm gonna go downstairs. Let's go. So like right here. Why can I not go on these groceries? Like, are they like deleted? I might be sure that it was in a different side. I think it was right here. Alright, I got the bloodhound. Someone got a bloodhound in global chat. I'm taking a look at my aftermath of my car. I think someone else already respawned. I think my car was like all the way there. I think I can see myself. Yeah, it's right here. I see myself. My car was over there. Okay, I think I'm coming. This is my destroyed car. What the? I can't do nothing to it. What the? I can't do nothing to it. That's weird. I'm okay. Anyways, see you later.